I'm Ruben Hanson from Sureweld in Wangaratta here. We are a manufacturer of aluminium loading ramps and plant trailers for the earth moving construction industry. We have the whole manufacturing process in-house, right from raw material through to finished completed products. Through building this facility, it's enabled us to keep manufacturing here onshore in Australia, enabled us to provide jobs for a lot of people in regional Victoria. So right from the outset of our discussions with Entegra, they assisted us in designing our whole facility in view of maximising the efficiency of space. They were excellent to work with right from the outset. We came to an absolute max output from our previous facility, which really inspired us and drove us to build a bigger new facility, completely custom built to what we were requiring. So Entegra, through the whole project process, right from the sales phase right through to the project management and then the after sales, they've been outstanding in their communication with us. They conducted the whole project with absolute integrity and honesty. They were very good to talk with and communicate with throughout the whole project. So I'd have absolutely no hesitation in recommending Entegra to anyone who is going through similar growth constraints that we were previously. I'd absolutely recommend them. They have an outstanding product, outstanding service, and we'll absolutely be considering them again in the future.